Hello, do you know how to use and process the Serveeto app? It is quite simple, let us take a look. First, you have to go to the Play Store and download the app. Once the app is downloaded, you can open the app. Now you will see a login window. Here, if you are using the app for the very first time, you have to create a new account, using your mobile number and details. While in the sign-up process, you can select your role. If you are a service professional, and are looking for work, you can choose the I am a service professional option, and if you are a regular user, you can choose the I am a regular user. In case you are an already registered member, you can log into the app using your credentials. Now you have successfully created your account in Serveeto app, and you can see your home screen. You can see all types of services you need on your home screen. Once you have found the service you are looking for, you have two options within all services. You can either send an inquiry to the service provider. You can choose the service provider nearest to you. You can compare the prices, and you can even send an inquiry with your query. Or you can book that particular service. All within a few clicks. The next step after booking or inquiry your service is to wait for the confirmation of your chosen service provider. Once the booking is done from your side, Serveeto admin team will connect with the service provider. The service provider will send the quotation, which can be viewed in the side menu, General User, Quotation Received. Quotations will be displayed with 3 buttons: Accept, Reject or Rework. Customer can choose the appropriate option. If the customer accepts the quotation, it will be notified to the service provider, and a work order will be generated by service provider. Customer can view and download work order from side menu, General User, Work Order. Finally, the payment section. Payment request from the service provider can be viewed on the payment log button on work order received. Make payment using the payment log button. And upon payment, payment receipt can be downloaded from the side menu. Once the work is completed, you can pay through the Serveeto app easily. Yes, it is this simple. You can easily access your Serveeto app and utilize its facilities within a few clicks.